is it. So I got the Scott box separate from the Bandeau. I got the Bandeau from Neiman Marcus because Louis Vuitton store didn't have the exact Bandeau that I wanted. When I went to Neiman's, I was considering getting maybe the brown one, but it did not look good with the red. I just thought, maybe I didn't want to be too matchy-matchy, but this is how it looks. Hello everybody, and thank you for tuning in to my review for the Louis Vuitton Scott box. So without further ado, no long introduction, let's get straight into this review. It comes in this cute little flap. Ooh, look at her. You guys see that? Okay, so let's get closer. Okay, I don't know why it doesn't want to focus tonight. Okay, so let's get into this review. Okay, so as you guys know, this Scott box has been popular since 2018. Content creators like myself, decided that this would be so cute paired with the Bandeau Exhibit A, and it would be so cute to just walk out and look cute as a bag. So the price of the Scott box was $1,333. Here in New York, we have taxes. So the taxes were $118.04. And the grand total was $1448.04. Now, I got this cute little bandeau. This is more on the slimmer side. This isn't the thick bandeau. This is the slim, thin bandeau. And it was retailed at $185, of course, with tax. The tax was $15.96, and the grand total was $296 for this cute little imaginary bag. So, this is how it looks. Can you see? Okay. And let's go online to get the specific specs. So online, this is called the Scott box. I don't know why the clear one is called the box Scott, and then the squared one is called the Scott trunk, I believe. But for whatever reason, this is called the Scott box online. And it's so funny to me that on the website for the detail features, it's listed as fluorescent pink. This is not pink. To me, this is red. I have red nail polish on. This is red. The bandeau is red. It's red. I don't know. It's a little typo, but This baby is plexiglass with white and red asset marks all over it and a mammogram. So I don't know where Louis Vuitton got pink. I'm really looking really closely and nope, I can't see where they would think this would be pink. I don't know. To me it's red. It's like a red coral color. It's not like so much red like Merry Christmas red, but it's red. Okay? So now let's get into the fun part. What can fit in this little cutie? So to open, you're simply going to click on the silver part and flip it. Ooh, so simple. So hold on. So on the right hand side, you're going to use the little button and then you will pop that open and then open the bag. So cute. So let's start with a mask. Safety first, right? So let's put this in the bottom just because, I don't know, because when we go outside, we're gonna need to like put it on our faces, right? But once we go out to eat and sit down, then we could place them in the bottom, right? Whatever. This is just for video purposes, not functionality. So we have the mask, and I don't have my AirPods anymore. I lost them on the beach 2 weeks ago, so I'm back to the old-fashioned classic headphones. So let's put that in there. That fits. Got some cards. That fits. Deodorant. I wear natural deodorant, so sometimes I have to reapply. So got some deodorant on the go. A lippy, because you may need to reapply after you eat, drink, talk a lot. Got some lip gloss, lip balm. Put that in there. And we're cute girls, so of course we're gonna need to take cute pictures of us looking cute in our Scott box. So we have a camera remote that fits. Have our car keys. Now regular keys, or at least my keys, won't fit. I think they're too big, and because this is plexiglass, I want you guys to be sensitive with how heavy and what you put in, because if it is not crowded and things are just moving along, like it could just bang and break. When we don't want, our cute little bag to break. So I would be mindful. I probably wouldn't realistically put my car keys or any keys in here. I think this would be a cute date bag, so you should get picked up, or you should get a cab service. Like if you're going out with your homegirls or whatever the case may be, you probably don't need to drive when you're wearing this, but it does fit. And I'm just afraid that if we go out and it's banging up against the corners, that it could freaking break it. So I would subtract that, take that out. And then we have our Beauty Blender blotter. So, you got to control the oils. Don't want to be greasy. That fits as well. Now, a pen will not fit. And your phone of course will not fit. So this is definitely a bring the necessities and leave the rest at home type of bag. So let's close that. It's locked. You heard that click. And that's it. That's what fits. And it's not heavy. It's not heavy and it's not moving. stuff isn't moving around. So, I don't know. Only when I move it like that, but I'm trying to think, like if I'm walking around, it's really not moving. You know, like because you move up and down. And it's not moving. So, maybe a car keys could fit, but I would be easy with what, you know, you carry in this little beauty. So, I think that's about it. Nothing else could fit in this bag. Don't try to overdo it. There was a YouTube video that I saw. A girl did break her bag, and we don't want that. We don't want to make the same mistakes. That's why somebody gave us this information so we wouldn't have to go through the same thing, right? I think this is a cute bag to wear out with your homegirls or with your boyfriend or on a date. I think the girl that wears this is a very stylish one. I think if you're going out on a date and he doesn't know you, or you're out with your girls and you're attracting the opposite sex, I think that they will first say, wow, she's annoying. She has to be annoying, but she's a problem solver, you know? Although her phone doesn't fit in her bag, she can simply carry it in her hand. Problem solved. She's also a neat girl. A woman who wears this is a neat woman. Why? Because she doesn't need clutter. You know, she doesn't have this big bag full of nonsense and things that you do not need. This woman right here picked out all the necessities that she needs, which is not a lot, which means she's an airy, free-spirited woman. She doesn't need a lot. Okay? She knows that it's all about quality over quantity. So she's clean, she's neat, she's not a messy woman at all, because a messy woman could not simply gather this little bit amount of stuff. They just can't. They just need to carry everything. So I think this is a very cute buy. You know, you can wear it out with friends, wear it out with your boyfriend. And ladies, do not overpack this bag. Like, you don't need to be a hoarder. This is not a bag for hoarders. This is not a bag for a woman who wears her, what is it called? Everfall? Hold on. Let me see. This bag would not be worn by the same woman who wears her Neverfall and has a whole bunch of nonsense in there. She has pins, she has old receipts, she has a whole bunch of trash, okay? She has granola bars, she has lip gloss, all different shades of lipstick, she has makeup, she has just too much stuff. She got work stuff, school stuff, all types of stuff in that bag. This woman who wears this will never, if she has a Neverfull and she's not wearing it, it's probably in a dust bag, put away in the closet safely. It's not thrown away on the side. It doesn't have a whole bunch of stuff. So it's a different type of woman who's wearing this bag. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope that if you purchase this bag, you guys, you know, enjoy it. I'm definitely going to enjoy it. Like, it's definitely, hey, how you doing? I'm cute. Look at me. It's definitely cute. I'm not into big bags. I've never been into big bags. I don't even like bags. It's either I wear a bag or I don't. So this is perfect for those women who don't like big purses and they just like little bags, little cross bags, little clutches, wristlets, or fanny pads. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be doing more of these reviews and stuff like that. So stay tuned. Peace out.